Mowing the lawn doesn't have to be a workout. Self-propelled lawnmowers can take a lot of the strain out of yard work, helping you get the job done faster and with a lot less effort. They might not be the flashiest tools in the garage, but they definitely make a difference when it's time to cut the grass. In this video, we'll go over the top 6 self-propelled lawnmowers and their key features, plus a few things to think about so you can pick the right one for your yard. Product links are in the description below. Number 6. Hart 40V Cordless Self-Propelled Mower. If you're looking for a cordless mower that's affordable and easy to handle, the Hart 40V Cordless Self-Propelled Mower is a solid choice. It's a great option for smaller to medium-sized lawns and works well for homeowners who want to keep things simple. One thing that stands out is how lightweight this mower feels. It's easy to push around, and the self-propelled function takes even more effort out of the job. Starting it is as simple as pressing a button. No pulling cords or priming needed. The 40V battery gives a decent amount of runtime for most typical yards, and the battery charges fairly quickly, so you won't be stuck waiting around too long between mowing sessions. The cutting height adjusts easily, so you can set it depending on the length of your grass. It does a good job for regular weekly mowing. However, it may struggle a bit with really thick or tall grass, so if you tend to let your lawn go for weeks at a time, you might want to look at a more powerful model. Another thing we liked is how quiet it runs. It's not as noisy as gas mowers, and it won't disturb the whole neighborhood when you're mowing on a weekend morning. Storage is also simple. The handle folds down, which helps if you don't have a lot of space in your garage or shed. Overall, this mower is a good fit for first-time cordless mower users or anyone with a smaller yard. It gives you the convenience of battery power without having to invest in one of the higher-end models. If you're mowing a typical residential lawn on a regular schedule, it's a very practical choice. Number 5. Toro 60 VMAX 21's Super Recycler. If you're after a cordless mower with a little more power and performance, the Toro 60 VMAX 21's Super Recycler is worth a closer look. It's built for medium to large lawns and has enough strength to handle tougher mowing conditions without slowing down. The 65V battery gives you strong cutting power and a good amount of runtime, which is great if you don't want to stop midway to recharge. The 21-inch cutting deck covers a lot of ground, so you can get through the yard faster. One of the nicest features is the personal pace self-propel system. It adjusts to match your walking speed, so you won't feel like you're chasing after the mower or trying to slow it down. Mulching performance is one of the highlights here, thanks to the Super Recycler deck. It does a great job breaking down the clippings into fine pieces, so you're not left with clumps of grass or having to bag everything. The mower runs a lot quieter than a typical gas mower, which makes it a little more pleasant to use, especially if you're mowing in the early morning or later in the evening. The build quality feels very solid, and the adjustable handle makes it easy to find a comfortable grip. It does cost a bit more than entry-level cordless models, but you do get a premium feel and higher performance in return. Another plus? The battery is part of Toro's 60V tool lineup, so you can use it with other Toro tools if you already own some or plan to expand your set. If you mow often or have a larger yard to maintain, the Toro 65 Max 21 Super Recycler offers great performance and convenience in one package. Number 4. EGO Power LM2135SP 21 hours 56V. If you're looking for a cordless mower that can really hold its own against gas models, the EGO Power LM2135SP is one of the best options out there. Powered by a 56V battery, this mower delivers very strong cutting performance and has plenty of stamina to handle larger yards. The 21-inch cutting deck helps cover a lot of ground quickly, and the variable speed self-propel makes it easy to match your pace, whether you're moving fast across flat ground or taking your time on a slope. It's especially good at cutting through thicker, tougher grass. So if your lawn gets a little wild between cuts, this mower can handle it. Runtime is excellent on a full charge, and like other battery models, it runs quietly, much quieter than a gas mower, which is always a plus for keeping the peace in the neighborhood. One standout feature here is the Select Cut multi-blade system. It gives a noticeably better cut quality compared to many mowers. The grass ends up looking very clean and even. The handle adjusts easily for comfort, and the whole mower folds up for vertical storage, which helps save space in the garage. It is a bit heavier than some other battery-powered models, which you'll notice when turning or maneuvering, but that weight also helps it feel sturdy and planted on uneven ground. The price is on the higher side, but this mower is aimed at serious users or anyone dealing with a larger or more challenging yard. Another plus is battery compatibility. The EGO 56V batteries work across a wide range of tools, so if you're already using EGO equipment, this mower fits right in. If you're looking for a cordless mower that performs like a gas model without the maintenance or noise, the LM2135SP is a strong choice. Number 3. EGO 21 LM2135SP. For homeowners looking for a mower that feels tough and delivers reliable performance, the EGO 21 LM2135SP is a great option to consider. It runs on a 56V battery, giving you plenty of power for medium to large yards without the noise and upkeep of a gas engine. The 21-inch steel deck feels very sturdy and gives this mower a rugged, well-built feel right from the start. It's slightly heavier than some other cordless models, but that extra weight actually helps with stability, especially when mowing over uneven ground or through taller grass. The variable speed self-propel works smoothly and makes it easy to set a comfortable pace, whether you're mowing a large open area or navigating tighter spaces. It has a nice balance of power and maneuverability, so you won't feel like you're fighting the mower around corners or on slopes. Controls are simple and intuitive. No unnecessary buttons or complicated settings. Adjusting the cutting height is quick and easy, so you can adapt to different grass conditions on the fly. Battery life is solid, giving you plenty of time to get through a full yard on one charge. The handle folds down, so storage is pretty straightforward even if you're short on space. Another plus, the battery is interchangeable with other EGO 56V tools, which is great if you already own EGO products or plan to add more in the future. While it isn't the lightest cordless mower around, it definitely feels built to last. If you're someone who values durability and wants a mower that can stand up to regular use over the years, the EGO LM2135SP fits the bill nicely. It's a good match for anyone needing a rugged, long-lasting cordless mower that handles medium to large yards with ease. Number 2. Toro SmartStow 214445. If you don't mind using a gas mower and want plenty of cutting power, the Toro SmartStow 2145 is a strong contender. It comes with a 22-inch deck that helps cover larger areas quickly and can handle even thick, stubborn grass with ease. One of the standout features is the SmartStow design, which lets you store the mower vertically. This can save a lot of space in your garage or shed. A nice bonus, especially for a gas mower. The self-propel feature uses Toro's personal pace system, so it adjusts to match your walking speed. Whether you're moving fast across open areas or taking it slow around trees or garden beds, the mower keeps up without feeling awkward. Cutting and mulching performance is excellent. It has no trouble powering through tall grass or dense patches, leaving a clean and even cut. The mulching option works really well too, finely chopping clippings so you don't have to bag them unless you want to. As with any gas mower, it does require more maintenance than a battery model. You'll need to handle oil changes, refueling, and other routine upkeep. It also isn't as quiet as electric options, which is something to keep in mind if noise is a concern. That said, the build quality is very durable and feels like it can easily handle season after season of use. The adjustable handle makes it comfortable to use, even if you're out mowing for an extended period. Overall, this mower is a great fit for homeowners with larger yards or those who prefer the reliable cutting power of a gas engine. If you're okay with the extra maintenance and want strong, consistent performance, the Toro SmartStow 2145 delivers. Number 1. Toro SmartStow Recycler 2034. If you're looking for a gas mower that offers great value and solid performance, the Toro SmartStow Recycler 2034 is one of the best all-around options out there. With a 22-inch steel deck, this mower is built to handle larger or more demanding yards without missing a beat. One of the key features is the SmartStow vertical storage design. Even though this is a gas-powered model, it folds up neatly to save space, which can really help if you're short on room in the garage or shed. The personal pace self-propel system makes mowing feel much easier. It automatically adjusts to match your walking speed, so you can stay comfortable whether you're moving quickly across big open areas or taking it slow around trees and landscaping. Cutting performance is very strong. The mower handles tall, thick, or even slightly wet grass with no trouble. The mulching is also excellent, breaking clippings down into fine pieces that return nutrients to the lawn without leaving clumps behind. The steel deck adds to the overall durability, giving this mower a solid, dependable feel. Like any gas model, you'll need to stay on top of regular maintenance, refueling, checking the oil, and sharpening the blade when needed. But many users feel the performance is worth the extra effort. It's not as quiet as electric mowers, so keep that in mind if noise is a concern. But the trade-off is power and reliability. This mower makes quick work of tough jobs and holds up well season after season. For homeowners with larger yards or those who want a gas mower that delivers great value and performance, the Toro SmartStow Recycler 20340 is a smart choice. It's one of the best self-propelled models in its class. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 self-propelled lawn mowers. Whether you're looking for a simple cordless option or a powerful gas mower for bigger yards, there's something here for just about every need. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.